Here we go, starting off the turkey season for the Rise. Heading down to Kentucky right now. It's open day eve. We'll be down there at about 10:30 tonight. Probably get sleep in the truck and wake up early and try to get set up on these birds. People all over the place, but we're gonna sit tight, probably be in here for a long haul, at least till late morning, hoping that maybe we can catch some birds cruising from the apple orchard or from the neighbor's cow pasture working this trail. So we're gonna try to be patient and sit tight as long as we can. I was not expecting it to be that good of a morning, to be honest. With the rain, and I was just lost hope basically. And after yesterday getting our butts kicked, but oh man, I just happened to look out the corner of the blind, and they're right there on the trail, come right next to the blind, and we'll finally put an arrow in one. And I just hope it's a good enough shot, and we can find them. Pretty nervous on that one. I watched the playback or the footage back, and shot looked low, so I got out of the blind. I was gonna check my arrow and look over and see the other bird over there, and I kept waiting. I was like, all right, where's the other one? All of a sudden, he starts flopping over here, and he was about 50 yards behind the other one. So, yes, finally we got to break in the Mako, and what a morning. Here he is, the soaking wet, ugly bird, but he matches our decoy, our fanless decoy, so him and his buddy made for a pretty good morning this morning. I wasn't really expecting too much with it raining, but they came in gobbling, and actually went out to a cow pasture for a minute, strutted around and gobbled a few times out there. So he came in, made a perfect shot on him, and he was able to break in the new Mako. We got that bow earlier this week, and we're able to put her to test this weekend. So it's an awesome shooting bow, and I can't thank those guys enough.